Face ID suddenly failing to scan your face or showing unavailable errors. Let's diagnose why it's happening and get it fixed. First, rule out physical interference. Gently clean the TrueDepth camera, top front notch, with a microfiber cloth. Test without phone cases, thick covers may obstruct angles. Ensure your eyes, nose, and mouth are fully visible in consistent lighting. Open Settings, Face ID and passcode and confirm. Face ID is enabled for iPhone unlock and key apps. Require attention is toggled off if you wear glasses. If settings seem correct but scans fail, tap Reset Face ID and re-enroll your face, positioning the phone at eye level during setup. If Face ID broke after an update, common in iOS 17.2 to 18.1, force restart. For iPhone 16, 15, 14, X or newer, press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears temporary system glitches. Update iOS, navigate to Settings, General, Software Update. Patches like iOS 18.2 specifically target TrueDepth camera failures. Reset subsystems, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This preserves data but resets network or permissions that may disrupt Face ID. When errors recur after basic fixes, especially with setup freezing on, fit face in frame, you can use professional iOS repair tools like MagFone iOS System Recovery to resolve OS-level damage. If Face ID still fails, test TrueDepth hardware, open the Measure app. If it can't detect depth or distance, visit Apple support. Faulty dot projectors or water damage require repair. Remove Face ID or passcode permanently. With MagFone iPhone Unlocker, select Unlock iOS screen to erase biometrics or passcodes in minutes.